Here's how we can enable voice to text in order to write messages with voice on Redmi 15. So in this case, I'm going to use Google Messages as an example. Let's go to a conversation. And if you want to write a text, but you don't want to type, instead you want to say all these sentences out loud, what you can do is you can tap on this microphone that you may have over here on the right side. So tap on this microphone, and whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text, as you can see right now. And in case it doesn't turn off after ending a sentence, you can tap on the microphone again. Now, besides that, you might not see the microphone, of course. It can be disabled. So in that case, what you can do is go to Settings. Now over here, we're going to scroll all the way down and go to Additional Settings. And then choose Languages and Input, Manage Keyboard, and then go to Gboard, as this is the keyboard that we use by default. And over here, you should be able to find voice typing. We need to make sure that it is enabled, and also, if you want to, you can enable faster voice typing to improve it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.